My name is Steve Catherman. I've been in the welding industry for 40 years. I'm a senior project manager, an estimator, with a focus on piping. I've been in this industry for 40 years. It's been very rewarding for me. I've seen a lot through my career, from a high school level, training, being mentored by the best. I've had the opportunity to travel, see a lot of facilities, and also worked in a lot of industries. I was able to raise a family. I have two awesome kids and grandchildren I was able to provide for them. It's been a very rewarding career for me. Yeah, at the present time, welders are very sought after. From a company standpoint, we're having a hard time finding welders. The jobs are out there. They're very sought after. Take advantage of an apprentice program, or if you want to make a career change with a trade school, the jobs are out there, and again, welders are very sought after right now. If you're looking to switch careers, welding has quite a few opportunities that are available. After you achieved your initial training in welding, knowing the 3 to 4 basic processes, the advancement in the welding industry is immense. You can be a welder in the construction, travel, work in a shop. You can go out and pursue CWI and being a welding inspector. You can even do a combination of welding and college and go after, welding engineering and get behind the science of welding. And I tell everybody who wants to get in this industry, the more you know, the more you're worth. If you want to be a welder, welding assemblies together for the rest of life, that's okay, you can be that. But if you want to advance, you do have to study along the way, pay attention, follow rules, and create your reputation and whatnot to advance in this career. It was a good choice, I believe. I have no regrets. I was always able to earn a good wage, pick my price. I always had a job, never laid off. I was able to build my reputation. I was always able to find a good job and provide my family. And I love working with metal. It's a great trade to get into. And it's also set me up for retirement. I'm not ready to retire yet, but I'm set up to do so.